What's up, you guys? It is 2:01 p.m. Damn, I'm just now eating, y'all. I did have a banana today because I've been busy packing, moving, taking stuff here, taking stuff there. So I'm back in the house, so now I'm about to eat me some bacon and eggs, and then right after, guess what I'm gonna have? You'll see. You'll see. Just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. Okay. Y'all already know. We having turkey bacon. This is the best turkey bacon ever. Period. From Aldi's. Period. This is the only kind of brand of turkey bacon I will eat. If it ain't this brand, then I'm just not gonna eat turkey bacon. I'm just gonna eat regular bacon. Cause this brand is just like, I don't know. It just tastes really good. It ain't that thin shit they be having. We're gonna make 4 just because I'm not having no avocado, because I don't have any, and I'm not buying any more because I'm moving, so I'm not buying too many more groceries. I'm trying to finish eating everything that I have in here. So we can zip, baby, zip. Zip, baby, zip. Zip, baby, zip. Just some eggs and bacon, and I threw some cilantro leaves on top because you already know how I do. So yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all for my snack. Guys, you know I had to do it. I've been craving some pudding. Y'all know I went on that 7-day no sugar challenge fast. So now we coming back with the comeback. But I'm not playing because after I eat this, then I got food on my chest. After I eat this, I'm going back on starting on Monday, I'm going back on another 7-day fast, period. So we could drop 10 more pounds. So that brown right there, that's the Boscoff cookies and chestnut cookies. I use both of these now. It's so delicious. I'm gonna tear this up, guys, and I'll see you guys for dinner. All right, you guys, what's up? So I'm gonna cook these turkey breast chops for dinner. I guess I'm gonna fry them without flour though. So we're gonna see. I'm going like pan-sear them, I guess. I don't know. So we better whip them up though, because I gotta finish cooking this food, y'all. I gotta clear everything out of this freezer and this deep freezer by the end of next week. So today is Saturday. By Friday, definitely by Sunday, a week from now, I need to have all this food cleared so that I can sell this deep freezer and clear this food out, because we're moving, period. We about to pack up and catch a flight to the next state, y'all. I'm so nervous. I ain't even gonna say much. But yeah, we on this spiritual journey, you guys. And I'm gonna document it for you guys if you guys are interested. I'm nervous, but I'm ready for something new. Like, I'm just ready for a new start, a fresh start. I'm ready to move somewhere else that I've never been. Like, I'm nervous, of course, like, you know, but I'm walking with God, and God is telling me to go. So I'm obedient, and I'm doing it. So yeah, let's get to cooking. All right, so I only just seasoned them with some onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika, and some salt. So I guess I should turn that up more. I ain't that hot. Oh, I ain't even seasoned the other side.
Like they did during the famine.
So
He told Joseph
here it is.
7 years of
I'm gonna
abundance.
plate it up. You know we had to throw the hot sauce on there. I took a bite. But yeah, y'all, this is my keto meal. So yeah, this is dinner for today. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take this food out. And I ain't eating no carbs with this meal because I'm eating banana pudding today. So we don't need to add no more carbs besides the ones I already had. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.